friend Karina. You guys might have noticed her in my Whisper Challenge video, and today we're gonna be doing an Asian snacks. We're gonna try Asian snacks. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start this video. I hope you guys like this video, and yeah. Okay, so here's the snacks, and go ahead and choose the first one. Okay, so the first one we're trying is Oshi Oshi Brown. I mean, it's like that, okay? Okay. There's
Shrimp chips, but it's spicy.
She's tried them before, but you tried only the shrimp ones, right?
Yeah, not spicy.
And I think I tried them before too, but I don't remember if I liked them or not.
Ready? They're good.
Oh, they're not bad. They're actually pretty good. What do you rate it?
Like a 7, I think. 7.5.
I go with the 7 too.
Oh, I love those.
There's an aftertaste to it.
It's kind of spicy.
I don't like the aftertaste. Okay, so it's green tea cream filled biscuit sticks, and I love green tea. I love tea in general, so I can't wait to try these. I've tried like other I tried like other like Pocky ones, but I like the other ones, but I never tried these before. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Oh my god. These are really good.
I like them.
No, no, no. Bro. Okay, go ahead and try the next one. So you want to go ahead and say that? They're mocha cake. I never tried these before. Have you tried them before?
Something similar to them, but
I never tried these before. Luscious mocha flavor wrapped in a light, delectable sponge cake. So these look like they taste really good. Hopefully we like them, because if we don't, then this whole pack is just gonna go to waste. And it's by the brand Regent. Regent? Oh, Regent. It's by the brand Regent.
oh, they smell good.
It smells like coffee. A sponge. They actually do look like a sponge.
Ready?
It is like coffee. Not something like that's great. It's just like it's like whatever. Like I wouldn't have this every day. It wouldn't be my favorite snack. There are these chocolate coated marshmallows. They're called Wingles by the brand Jack and Jill. Does it see that? I don't even know. Okay, so this was at the Asian store. Oh, they melted.
Oh.
Okay. tastes a lot like chocolate.
They're made in the Philippines.
I really like the ending taste. And it has a little bit too much chocolate. Yeah. What would you rate this? Oh, we forgot to rate this one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, so then we go back. What would you rate the green tea? Me too. I rated it 10 too. And the mocha cake, I think for me it would have to be a 4.
5, 4, 4, 5.
The Wingles, I think I'd go for a 1. I don't really like them. Oh yeah, sorry I forgot. Okay, so she picked that one out. I sent her some pictures, and she picked this one, so let me try that one. It's from the brand Jack and Jill again, and it's called Mr. Chips, and it's Pinoli spaghetti flavored corn chips. I'm not too sure about this.
Yeah, I never tried spaghetti.
I'm just gonna get what? Oh my god, I can smell it from here too. I'm gonna get my water because I don't think I like it.
It smells a little bit like spicy ramen. Have you ever tried that? Spicy ramen?
I tried it, but I don't remember the smell. I don't think I'm gonna like it. You never know though. I mean, I like the shrimp chips, but I just don't like the ending.
They taste like ramen.
I don't need to try to look at these. They do taste like ramen.
Yeah.
They are pretty good.
Yeah.
They're better than the shrimp ones.
I would rate these a 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10. You could keep those since you did not. What do we want? Let's see these. She picked these two. They're called Cheesum. I tried something similar to these, but they were like little balls. And I think it had a kid on the package. They're corn puff snacks. And they're by the brand WL Foods. I feel like these are going to be really good.
Whoa, they're really orange.
I like a lot of cheese though.
I don't think I'm gonna like.
Really? You like a lot of cheese? I knew you were gonna like it. They're really good. They taste like the Cheetos. So those are our last ones, and they're called Curly Tots by Ricola. They're milk chocolate. I really want to try these. I wonder how they taste, but hopefully they don't taste too chocolatey like the other ones do. I feel like I'm gonna have hard trouble opening this. They kind of look like Reese's Pieces, huh? They look like that. If we like them, we should give one some to everybody, like, you know? And pick this one. As a wrapper.
Yeah, I was gonna eat it.
Do I say the brand? Oh yeah, I said that. Did we rate those ones?
These
Okay.
are like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll go with that too.
Ready?
Or this is like milk chocolate. You don't like it?
I was expecting more out of them, to be honest.
Oh, it just says milk chocolate.
He's a short.
What would you rate them?
8 out of 10. No, 7 out of 10.
I got the 7 too. Okay. So yeah, I think out of everything, this one would be my favorite. The little green tea one. Yeah. So yeah, we might do. Should I say that? Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!